What's going on, guys? It's Joe Honda, aka Boosted Killin. Just want to go over the rotrex servicing as far as the supercharger goes. It recommends that it is either 50,000 miles or 2 years per rotrex. So let's get into it right quick. You'll cap off the two lines going to the filter, so that way there's no spillage. However, I recommend you getting a bottle like I have here and just drain it into there. Next, you'll replace the filter, and then once that is complete, you'll go back to your bottle here and put it back into the system, so that way the system is not dry. Also, too, note, I recommend you replacing these clamps here because they are super trash. Thank you, Kraftwerks. Once you do that, you fill it up, you get your new bottle, and you start pouring it in as someone else starts the car. Once it becomes the lighter blue, you are good to go. And then make sure you check your fluids and stuff like that. And hopefully everything goes well for you. Make sure you run it to make sure that there's no abnormal noises, and you're good. All right, guys, see you later.